everybody, welcome to another edition of James Jam. I'm Jam.
I thought you were Barbie.
This is my jam. No.
Oh.
That's just on my shirt.
Okay.
It's another Friday, which means that I took a long drive today, which is why my hair is a bit of a mess and up. So what I do on Fridays, me and my son go for a drive. And
it looks normal.
Hush. I was so excited to open this. So this is a new to me brand. They are out of Paris. They are a sustainable brand. They are ethically, the bags are ethically made out of the best glove-tanned leather. They seek leather from Belgium, Italy, and Spain. And I'm going to blame this on Totes Gene.
Was he on the list yet?
If he's not, he should be.
He is now.
He's the one who got me into Latanier.
Gene.
Now I have 3 bags of theirs. And he was telling me about how he was kind of sick and tired of paying luxury prices when there were so many
Aren't we all?
Yeah, there's so many other brands out there that have some really nice bags to offer. And he had sent me a link showing me some other brands that were available, and they're in this video, and I'll link it down below if I can find it or get it linked. But a lady was from Paris, and she was going around and showing
Paris or from Paris?
From Paris.
Okay.
She was showing different bags that were made there, and again saying, why are we paying for luxury when we're not really getting the luxury experience anymore, and the quality's not there, and craftsmanship and everything else. And one of the stores she went to Paulin, and I have a bag from there, and they're a nice brand. And she went into a few other ones, a couple I'd heard of, a couple I hadn't. But she went into this place, and first off, they had a bag that was beautiful called the Hortense, I believe, or Hortensia. And it was really pretty. It had a nice metal, flower.
Not the Horcrux?
No, on this stamp, metal piece on it. But then behind her, there was a bag that was standing on the shelf, and the color and the style just made my eyes pop out of my head.
Like a cartoon?
So, yes. So then I'm thinking, okay, they probably don't have this anymore. It was probably a seasonal thing. And I'm going to go there, and I'm not going to have to worry about it because they won't have what I wanted. Oh my gosh, they had what I wanted. Not only did they have what I wanted, but honestly, it was between 3 colors. And I finally decided on this one because it was the one that made my eyes pop out of my head originally. So I ordered this bag on a Saturday. It arrived from Paris on Wednesday. So it was fast.
Bonjour.
The box is a little underwhelming, so I'm not quite sure what to expect. It got a bit dinged here, but I'm assuming that happened in transit, not from the company. Looks like there's a spot to open it here. So I'm trying to be careful with my...
It looks like there's another box in there, maybe?
I don't know if there is or not, but
we can kind of see white on the sides here.
Oh, can you? Because I wondered, and I'm kind of okay, so is this really going to be anything like a luxury unboxing? Or is it going to be more like a Coach unboxing? And hopefully I didn't just destroy something that's in here. We're hoping no. This is interesting. Okay. I don't think I destroyed anything. Other than my pride. No, Oh, okay, so this is nice. Okay, so we got a thank you here. Okay, so this looks really nice. And I was a little worried too, because this bag came in the mini size, the medium size, and then the regular size. And
which size did you get?
I got the medium because the mini seemed too small. I checked the measurements; they were in centimeters. I switched them over to inches, and so then when the box came, I'm like, okay, there's probably no decent box in here because there's just no way. And it's hard to say. This is like a box in a box.
Told you.
It's really weird. This comes undone, and this comes undone.
Well, you can build a fort.
Right. And then you can take this out. Oh. Ooh. Oh, that's interesting. So the brand is Fleuron. This bag is okay. I don't think this is the. This is just like an extra tote bag. It appears to be.
Bonus prizes.
Which is really nice. Yeah. So.
Is that the name of the company?
Yeah, Fleuron. And yeah, because the dust bag is separate here. So look at the nice tissue with their little stamp on it.
It's a sticker.
That too. Okay. Okay, so it's not in the dust bag. So here's the dust bag. Really nice dust bag too. Right here. So that's nice. I got a super nice dust bag and a super nice canvas tote. Oh, so far so good. I'm impressed now. Oh, and here's
the money shot.
Here's this. Oh, this is really wrapped nicely. Oh, it's inside a bag. Oh.
Luckily, you wore your Barbie shirt today.
That's why I don't wear my Barbie shirt today. Oh, is she pretty? Oh my gosh. See, I was telling my husband, God, it smells so good.
That's me.
It is not. I was telling my husband that there were three that I absolutely, positively, really, really wanted. Well, there was probably more than that, but 3 colors that just, got me. This one, and they have a royal blue, and they have like a lime green. Probably similar to what this might be if it was in leather. Darker green. Oh, like this color. It was this color. But between this one and the blue one were the two that I was like, I'm just going to get both. And I'm like, no, I'm not going to get both, because if I don't like them, then I'm going to be sad that I bought both. I don't think I would have been sad. This bag is called the Swan. And this, again, is the medium swan.
Is that the black swan or the white swan?
No, it's the medium swan.
Lynn Swan. He was a wide receiver of the Steelers.
Nice. Just look at this. Okay. So, let's give you a spin here. It smells so good. Here's the front. The side. The back.
At least the handle came already
The
on
other
there, so you
side.
don't have to worry about that.
The handle. The bottom. That's very unique. And then let's see, how do we open this? Oh, they're magnetic.
Fancy.
Oh, that is sweet. Oh.
Both sides?
Yep. And then there is a snap in the middle here. So this is a snap and it's magnetic. The middle. Then there is a strap. Let's see if it's adjustable. Obviously, it's removable. It's like, okay, I want to go down and order another one.
I'll be locking the door on my way out.
I bet you will. Okay, I can't quite get this out with one hand. Well, I actually have 2 hands, but the more I try to pull it out, the more it slides down the other way. Let's just do this. I got a mess here. Okay, so it's removable and adjustable. Strap. So then, let's see, it's stuffed nicely. Oh, the inside is really nice. It's like a microfiber, like a almost.
Is it like microfiber,
No,
or is it?
It isn't microfiber. I would say it's really close to the stuff that's inside of. Maybe it is suede.
Want to open it up so we can see
It's
inside?
beautiful. The bottom has a piece of leather in it that's the same color as the bag. It is not removable. Then there is one interior pocket here.
With the same color leather.
Yep.
That's neat.
Can you see that?
Fancy.
Oh my gosh.
So is this on sale or regular price?
This is regular price.
And what did we pay for this?
That's a good question. Oh darn, I don't see a receipt in here anywhere. I know that the large swan, I believe, is $728.
Is that a trumpeter
So
swan?
this was less than that. I want to say maybe 5 something. Wow. Oh. And then they have their little Floron sign right there too on the hardware.
Nice.
Oh my gosh. I think I have a new favorite brand of handbags.
Oh boy.
Oh, boy's right. Because before, this had been my favorite. But, oh, for price, I'm going this. Holy cats. Okay, Mulberry has the rolled handles, but these are super nice. They're glazed super nice. The stitching's fantastic.
Like a donut glazed?
Oh, there's a little piece of, oh, nothing. Okay. On there, it was probably from the sticky paper. Oh my gosh, and this seems like it's going to be easy to get in and out of. So you can either open it that way, or if you need more, you just pull apart the flaps there, and then you can get into it. I'm going to pull the stickers off here, maybe, if I can get them. Ooh, that's so satisfying. Throw it on the floor.
Right.
I know I'll pick it up later, so. Ooh, that was really nice.
Like a Band-Aid, huh?
Stuck on, no. And then here's where the only branding it has is right here. It says Floron. Oh my gosh. I will link their website down below. You have got to go look at these. Oh my gosh. The sticker thing's stuck on me now. These are
Happy to be stuck on you.
right? Like I'm stuck on Band-Aid.
No,
Look
it
at
was
this.
Huey Lewis, but whatever.
I think the only thing that could make this better would be feet on it. Oh, that was so good. And I am just and she was just sitting on a shelf behind this lady. Like I said, I'll have to find the video and I'll link it down below. I'll also link Totes Jean. But this was sitting behind her, way in the back behind her when she went in the store. And I saw the color and my eyes were like, because we know I have a thing for pink. I don't have too many pink bags though.
You have a thing for bags.
I think about, yeah, I do have that. Amelia Rose has more pink bags than I do. And,
Name drop.
But, yeah. And, I saw this and I'm like, it just seems like half the time you see these videos and then you go to look at the item and then it's not there. Or they don't have it. Or like I said, it's seasonal. Oh, this is just absolutely gorgeous. This is just absolutely gorgeous. God, and it smells so good. And then, like I said, I was not expecting this. This was not like an add-on or free thing. This just came in it. This super nice canvas tote, and this baby's big. I mean, look at this. This was free and totally unexpected. Like I said, I ordered on a Saturday and it was here on Wednesday. I am blown away. I love my Latanier bags too, but I mean, this is gorgeous, isn't it? The swan. And then they have other bags. Like I said, the hortensia that has a really nice, it's got a flap and then the closure is like a flower. It's so pretty. And, the royal blue one like this might have to come home to me. Yes, maybe not the green one, but I don't have anything royal blue other than my little mischief bag. I don't. Look at that. I don't. And it's like, it's almost the color on this Coach bag right there.
That's enough blue.
No. And, oh my gosh. I'm blown away. I am going to link them down below. I'm speechless. That doesn't happen very often.
Never.
Hush. Sorry. But I am just blown away. I am in awe. I am totally in awe. For the price, I just can't believe it. I cannot believe it. And if you go to their website, there's a lot of information about, again, how they ethically source things, how they are compliant with the different rules of
Sustainability.
not sustainability, but labor, because that's been a problem in the past in other companies, and they follow the labor guidelines set up by strict, apparently European guidelines, it stated, and that's something that's kind of important to me. The more I learn about sewing, the more important that's kind of become to me. But wow, wow, I would say go give them a look, even if you don't buy anything. I'm not sponsored. They have no clue who I am. But
What? You're James Jam.
right, you know. But
Oh.
I am just, I just can't say enough good things. And shipped here in 3 days from Paris. What?
We.
What? So I am super excited. Yeah, there'll be another one of these in my future, and that's what I have for you today. Thank you very much for watching. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing. I'd love to have you. Trying to grow my channel. I'd love to hit 3,000 at some point. If you haven't already found me over on Instagram, I'm there as well at James Jam. It's JAME_S_Jam. Usually post a reel once a week, just showing my bag of the week and my SLGs that I have in it, and kind of like a what fits. I do post over here on YouTube on Wednesdays and Saturdays, and then every other Thursday I do a book related video. So if you're not into books and reading, then you might not want to go, come and view for that one, but you might want to, because it's still kind of fun to look at the cool books and everything. That one's a little more intimate. The camera's kind of just on me. I don't have the wonderful cameraman, who I know a lot of you enjoy as well. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Leave a comment in the comments down below. I don't want to forget that one, because that's my favorite one. I really love interacting with everybody, and it just helps me get to know everybody a little bit more. In my book video from this week, actually, an author actually responded in my comments and let me know a book that she wrote, and that was just super, super exciting. And just, you guys will let me know, like, when you bought something or looked at something, or
You forgot what a bag was called?
I forgot what a bastia was called. Everybody nicely let me know, or when everybody kindly let me know which way the straps go on this bag.
Those are handles.
See this? Yeah, handles. See, words are hard. But with this, I already know what to do, because it's on there. Oh, I know something I didn't cover on this. Oh my gosh, we're almost done, and I didn't cover where it attaches. The straps do attach, looks like, to the little O-rings here and here, so they are going to attach not sideways. They'll keep the bag even. I know sometimes people like to know that, because they don't like the
Diagonally.
diagonal one. So no, not that way. This stitching is just okay. I'll stop. I'm going to stop right there. Thank you so much for watching. And until next time, please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
We'll have to mark this date. Although she didn't become totally speechless, it's about as close as she ever gets.